Marble floor polishing Wimbledon by Fabritech Tile Care. Are you tired of staring at dull and worn-out marble floors? Well, we have a problem-solving solution just for you. Picture this. You've invested so much time and money into your beautiful marble floors, but over time, they've lost their shine and luster. Foot traffic, spills, and everyday wear and tear have taken their toll, leaving you with a surface that looks lackluster and unappealing. It's frustrating, isn't it? But wait, it gets worse. Not only does your dull marble floor make your space look worn and neglected, but it also creates a negative first impression for guests, clients, and customers. And let's not forget about the hygiene factor. Those unattractive stains and etches might harbor bacteria and germs, compromising the overall cleanliness of your space. Fear not. Fabritech Tile Care has the perfect solution to turn your dreary marble floors into dazzling works of art. Introducing our marble floor polishing service, Wimbledon's most trusted and experienced experts in marble restoration. Our local team, based at New Malden, specializes in breathing new life into tired and worn-out marble floors. With our state-of-the-art techniques and premium products, we ensure a complete transformation that will leave you in awe. Here's how it works. Our skilled technicians will carefully assess the condition of your marble floor and develop a customized plan tailored to your unique needs. Using our advanced polishing equipment and safe yet effective products, we'll remove scratches, stains, and imperfections, revealing the true beauty of your marble. We don't stop there. To ensure your marble floors maintain their shine and remain protected for years to come, we apply a high-quality sealer that acts as a barrier, preventing future damage and making cleaning a breeze. Worried about the hassle of having your space disrupted? Don't be. Our efficient team works quickly and professionally, minimizing downtime and inconvenience. You'll be amazed at how swiftly we can transform your marble floors. So, why settle for dull and lackluster marble floors when a stunning transformation is just a phone call away? Contact Fabritech Tile Care today on 01784 775813 or visit our website at Tile Cleaning Surrey and reclaim the beauty of your space. Say goodbye to weary floors and hello to glistening, magazine-worthy marble. You won't believe the difference it will make.